Where's Katie? She just has a sweet potato. I'm trying to get her down for a nap, but I pushed up her sleeves to try to avoid getting sweet potato on her. And I noticed the double creases that she has because her arms are so chubby. Is that Mama's phone? You want Mama's phone? I thought it was so cute. There's a crease right there in the middle of her arm. You see the other arm? You see the other arm? Yeah. 2 creases. Yeah. You listening, girl. Look at your arms. Just gotta pull down your sleeves now. Pull down the sleeves. Oops. There we go. She's gonna outgrow this thing pretty soon. Her bum's almost hitting the bottom. You can see it's a little bit dark, but it's essentially pretty much in the bottom. Almost perfect. Is it time for a nap? Yeah. I thought those arm creases were so cute. They're so cute. You have to learn to say mama, mama, ma, too. Mama, mama. Go. Just Dada. All you want to say is Dada. Okay, let's see if I can get her to go to sleep. We'll see. We'll see. It's been difficult to get her to sleep sometimes. The last week or 2. Okay, bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye. She bites her tongue. You can see. Now she's distracted by the camera. She's biting her